Hi, my name is Tas, you're on the IT Prosto channel, and in this video I will show you how to create auto-clicker using Python. I will create a new Python project in PyCharm. Here we import two libraries, PyAutoGui and Time. Time is pre-installed Python library, but PyAutoGui is not. Install PyAutoGui using pip install PyAutoGui command. Create a function that will click the mouse. Now let's create the main function that will be responsible for the number of clicks. At the beginning of the function we write a small delay, then we create a loop that will call the click function 50 times. Call the main function at the end of the code. Now we can test. The program waits for 5 seconds. After that, it starts clicking 50 times. How you see, everything works perfectly. Now I will make a clicker that will click endlessly, and to stop it you will need to press the B key. Import and install the keyboard library and change the main function by adding an if-else exception. Testing again. I press the B key and the program stopped. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.